Welcome to Cubicle Effects. My name is Scott Tokar. I'm a magician, and I get to teach you how to do magic tricks using stuff that's already in your cubicle. Today's episode is brought to you by Isilon, and we call this one Band Practice. All right, I'm going to show you how to do this trick. First, I'm going to show you what it looks like. All you need is 2 rubber bands. You can see that the rubber bands are linked, but if you'll just give it a blow right there, just blow, watch as one melts right through the other. Here, I'll do it for the camera this time. Watch closely. You can see that they're linked. Can you see that on the camera? They're actually linked, but one melts right through the other. Grant, you ready to learn how to do this?
I certainly am.
It's real simple. I'm going to show you how to do this right after this message. Are you ready to learn the secret? All you need to do is go to isilon.com. Click on the italicized I in the lower right-hand corner to learn this secret.